The Deluxe stand mixer is going to help you mix up delicious appetizers, desserts, and weeknight dinners, all while making cleanup a breeze. Let's get to know your mixer and show you how to get started. Your stand mixer comes with the mixer unit, stainless steel bowl, and 3 accessories. A scraping beater that scrapes the bowl while mixing, a whisk for adding lots of air into lighter mixtures, and a dough hook for heavier doughs that's easier than kneading by hand. The digital display clearly shows the timer, mixing speed, and recommended accessory for your chosen preset, all with the touch of a button. It even has an add 30 seconds button just in case you need to mix a little longer. Speaking of presets, each setting has a precise speed and time that takes the guesswork out of baking and meal making. With custom, you can set your time and choose one of 8 speeds for full control, like a traditional stand mixer, which is great for your tried and true recipes. For the other presets, you can adjust the time, but they already know what speed you need. The mixer will start off slow and gradually increase to the full speed so your ingredients don't make a mess. The whip setting quickly incorporates lots of air into ingredients for recipes like whipped cream or no-churn ice cream. The cream setting perfectly creams butter and sugar for light, fluffy baked goods like cookies or buttercream frosting for cupcakes. The mix setting helps you gently combine ingredients without adding too much air for things like batters or meatloaf. The beat setting helps you fully combine ingredients that need extra work to blend, or for a smoother texture, think mashed potatoes or icing. And the knead setting works ingredients into a soft ball of dough in the same motion as kneading by hand, but in half the time, which is great for bread rolls or pizza dough. Now that you know your mixer, let's assemble it. First, you want to make sure the on-off switch is in the off position and the mixer is unplugged. Use the open-close lever in the back to open the tilting mixer head. Next, secure the bowl in place. It can lock in 3 different positions. Then, attach your accessory. Once it's on, use the open-close lever to close the tilting mixer head, plug the stand mixer in, and flip the switch to on. When you're ready to start mixing, add your ingredients and use the selector wheel to scroll and choose your preset and time. Then, press the wheel to start. The cooking guide has a few ways to get started quickly, like making whipped yogurt or delicious dip. You'll also find simple recipes like shredded chicken, meatloaf, cookies, and brownies. When you're done mixing, cleanup is easy. The attachments and bowl can go in the dishwasher, and you can wipe down the stand mixer so it's ready to go for next time. The mixer also has a carrying handle, cord storage, and even weight distribution, making it easy to put away and take out when you need it. With all these amazing ways to use your Deluxe stand mixer, it's sure to be your new best friend in the kitchen. Happy mixing!